Let's say I want to go ahead and replace every occurrence of isExplorer on this document. So I go ahead and start running the substitute command on all the file. And now instead of going ahead and typing isExplorer manually, I can do something nicer. As you remember, my cursor was on the word isExplorer, so I can just press Ctrl R and then W. And that's just gonna put inside of the input over here what my cursor was on before I started the command mode. In fact, Ctrl R is actually more general than that. If I go ahead and copy this Word for example document, so YW, and then I'll open it up again. Now I can use Ctrl R, and then I can use the quotes, and it's going to bring me the register contents of the quotes register, which is the last text that was put into the default register, for example from a delete command, or from yank, in this case it was yank, or from change. Let's say I want to write a little macro that will clean up all the quotes over here. So I start recording the macro of QR, then I'm going to find first of all the quotes, and I'm going to run DI and then inside quotes. And then I'm going to go to the next line and press 0. Now I'm going to stop the recording. Now instead of manually just going ahead and running @ and R, what you can do is actually just run @. That's going to run the last recorded macro. Let's say I want to go ahead and run some kind of vim command on all the files that are under source. What I can do is first of all put all the files in my argument list. So I'm going to set my args as source, then I'm going to put all the JavaScript files that are under source. And you can see that now it brought me to one of the files. And also if I check out my args with the args command, you can see all the files expanded into the argument list. Now in order to actually run a command on all those files, I can just run argdo. And then I specify a command. For example, substitute every occurrence of function with the word func. Now you can see it shows me some information about what it did. And now as you can see, here's an example of a word that was changed, func instead of function. If I go to the previous file in the argument list with the prev command, you can see another example of function that was replaced to func. Subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.